So, hello, my name is Brynjar Amundsen. I'll be your Norwegian language teacher, and today we're going to talk about the modal verb VILLE. The function of this is wanting. It does have some other usages as well, as in future, that is unplanned, which, for example, det vil regne, right? But the main function and the most practical, most used one is for wanting something. Right. Jeg vil se på film, eller jeg vil se Oppenheimer I dag, for example. Straight out, just wanting. I know there's some different translation of it, so people tend to be a little bit unsure about the function of it. That's perfectly okay. Just for you using it, just think about the main function of this modal verb. This is wanting. And then we have the present tense, wanting today. Jeg vil slappe av I dag. Jeg vil jobbe I dag. This is all the stuff I want to do. Jeg vil dra på butikken. Jeg vil gå en tur. All of that stuff. And now, here is the important bit about it. It is the past tense of it. Yes, and that one. I have messed up when I tried to speak Russian before, and I made that mistake and I forgot to put the past tense. And I know a lot of my students do the same thing. So the past tense of it, let's try to do it together. Ville. You have a double E there, so the I a little bit short. Ville. Make sure you pronounce the E at the end, so the person you're speaking to know that this is past tense, what you wanted in the past. Because there's a big difference between what you want now and what you wanted in the past, right? So you have, for example, jeg ville gjøre det I går, men jeg hadde ikke tid, expressing all the things you wanted to do, right? Jeg ville se på det. Here, the pronunciation, important, ville. It's very easy to kind of mix those two. The English one's a little bit easier. I want, wanted, very clear difference. But the Norwegian, it gets a little subtle, just the E at the end, right? You kind of have to add that. Jeg ville dra dit I går, jeg ville dra på ferie I år, men det var ikke for fint I Norge. Jeg ville besøke dem for en uke siden, right? All the stuff you wanted to do in the past. Keep practicing, and the function of it. Just the function also is a little bit with those future too, but for the people learning Norwegian, I really suggest focusing in on the function of wanting. That's the most used one, and there are others you can use to expressing the future. Then there's perfectly a lot of other options for that. So when it comes to you speaking, practicing and using it, focusing on one thing, much easier for you. Alright, until next time, thank you for watching.